Another beautiful day at sea, it seems. Doesn't look like we're making much headway, though. What do we have here? A scallywag lounging around. Hey, sailor! I say, hey, sailor! Don't you realize there's work to be done? Listen here, we need our rigging done. Do you know how to do it? Fine, your sea daddy will teach you. Grab your 2 vice grips and your professional tension gauge. Stop! This is serious! Place your cable between the knobs and pull the gauge back. This will accurately determine the tension of your cables. Make sure to find the correct diameter of your cables. This sailor is working with 5/16. The gauge determines tension with the cable diameter to give the break strength of your cables. We want the tension to be in between 10 to 12% of the break strength of your cables. You can go up to 15%. Next, measure the current tension of your cables and write them down. Now grab your vice grips and get to it. Loosen the top and bottom of your turnbuckles to be able to tighten or loosen them. Righty-loosey and lefty-tighty is the rigger's motto. When tightening your rigging, start with the top of the mast and work your way down. Make sure to regularly check the tension as you tighten and loosen cables. Tightening port will also make starboard tighter. The same goes for loosening. We want a straight mast, you hear? With a 1 to 3 degree aft rake. This is why you work with cables top to bottom. Confirm your rigging is all in the 10 to 15% breaking strength and that your mast is straight. And now that you've done your rigging, you can get back to sleeping, you lousy, no-good, picaroon rapscallion. When the captain shows up, make sure to point at cables on the mast so he knows you did something. Cheers!